Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be comparing two popular cameras, the Canon EOS M50 Mark E and the Panasonic LUMIX G95D. We will evaluate these products in different categories to help you make an informed decision. Before we begin, don't forget to like this video, comment down below, and subscribe to our channel for more awesome content. Let's start with the price. The Canon EOS M50 Mark E is priced at $899, while the Panasonic LUMIX G95D comes in at $999. Keep in mind that prices may vary, so it's important to check for the most up-to-date pricing. Both cameras deliver exceptional image quality. The Canon EOS M50 Mark E features a 24.1 megapixel APS-C CMOS sensor with ISO range of 125,600, expandable up to 51,200. On the other hand, the Panasonic LUMIX G95D boasts a powerful 20.3 MP digital live MOS sensor. Both sensors excel at capturing stunning details and offer great low-light performance. When it comes to video, both cameras shine. The Canon EOS M50 Mark E offers 4K UHD 24p and HD 120p for slow-motion footage. It also supports improved dual-pixel CMOS AF and eye detection AF for precise focusing. On the other hand, the Panasonic LUMIX G95D captures 4K 24/30p video with pre-installed Vlog L, providing 12 stops of dynamic range. It even allows simultaneous 4:2 2/8-bit output for external monitoring. If versatility and portability are important to you, the Panasonic LUMIX G95D takes the lead. It is a lightweight micro 4/3 mirrorless camera that is weather-sealed and comes with a flexible, free-angle monitor. Additionally, the camera is bundled with the LUMIX G12 to 60mm f3.5 to 5.6 power OIS lens, ensuring crisp and clear images. The Canon EOS M50 Mark E also offers a vari-angle touchscreen LCD, perfect for vlogging and composing shots from various angles. Both cameras come with some great additional features. The Canon EOS M50 Mark E offers high-quality webcam capability using the free EOS webcam utility software or clean HDMI output. It also includes a combination tripod grip and remote. On the other hand, the Panasonic LUMIX G95D features Live View composite mode, which allows you to compose a single image out of many. It also has external microphone and headphone jacks for recording and monitoring sound using external equipment. And that wraps up our comparison between the Canon EOS M50 Mark E and the Panasonic LUMIX G95D. Both cameras have their strengths, and it ultimately depends on your specific needs and preferences. We hope this video helped you in making your decision. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment down below with your thoughts, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.